I'm King with Airline Vacuum. We have an 80-foot long hallway here where we have a 40-foot hose located in the middle, which enables us from one location to get from one end of this hallway to the other end without having to relocate or plug into another station. Let's go look at it, Robert.
Let me show you how easy this works.
And here we have the hardwood floor, and he is going to get the hard floor attachment out.
As many feet as you want to go out. Lock it. Let me get the attachment.
In this case, you can pull out all 40 feet, or you can pull out 10 or 15, whatever you choose, whatever you need for what area you're cleaning. Your floors are so clean you don't even... Beautiful.
Then you unhook the attachment, do the unlock, put your hand over the end, close the door, done. No dust in the house, no mites in the house. We'll look outside. Everything's in a container in a closet on the exterior of the home.
Tell us a little bit about that hose sock and how it differs from what you've seen in the past with standard vacuum cleaners.
So the hose sock that you saw is basically what it says. It's a sock, it's very soft. It keeps it from scratching up the floor, from scratching your door jambs. Just, it makes it just spotless.